Realme X55G update rolling out with new optimizations and bug fixes. The Realme X55G is among the newest smartphones in the company's portfolio. The update brings in new optimizations and bug fixes. Realme is rolling out a new software update for its Realme X55G users in China. The auto update brings with it a host of new optimizations and bug fixes. It also brings in the new Realme UI v 1.0 on board. Read on to find out everything on this latest Realme X55G update. The auto update rolling out to the Realme X55G comes with build number RMX 2051-11.8.08 for users based in China. As per the changelog, it brings in the new Realme UI. Additionally, the update optimizes the smartphone network performance and improves network stability. It also brings Wi-Fi network experience improvements along with telecom IoT card not showing 5G switch problem optimizations. The update also includes a major bug fix for a problem of low probability restart in some instances. Lastly, the new update for the Realme X55G fixes the problem of screen refresh rate not getting switched in some cases in a small probability, RM update reports. Realme is rolling out the new software update for the Realme X55G users in China. The OTA update is rolling out in a staged process, so it could take a while before reaching all units gradually. If there are no major bugs with the update, it will then roll out widely to everyone. Once the update is ready, users will get a push notification to download the firmware. Alternatively, one can head over to the settings menu to manually check for the update.